Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something crucial that often gets overlooked: factory audits. Now I get it. You're busy running your business and juggling a million things, but trust me, factory audits are your business's best friend. Why? Because they ensure quality, compliance and ethical standards before you even start doing business with a new supplier. Think of it as a backstage pass to see how things really operate. You wouldn't want to be blindsided by poor working conditions or faulty products, right? That's where factory audits come in. These audits help you identify risks before they become your problem. Imagine finding out too late that your product doesn't meet safety standards. It could damage your reputation and cost you a fortune. A proper audit helps you avoid these pitfalls. And let's talk about trust. You might have a good feeling about a potential partner, but in business, it's always better to trust, but verify. Factory audits give you peace of mind. They're your insurance policy against unknown variables. Plus, it's not just about avoiding negatives. An audit can reveal the strengths of a factory, showing you they're capable of meeting your high standards. It's a win-win. So next time you're eyeing a new supplier, don't skip the factory audit. It's an investment in your business's future. Quality, compliance, ethics, these aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of a successful business. All right, that's it for today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to level up your business. Catch you in the next one.